Now let us try to write these sentences using the relative pronouns qui or que. So are you ready to write it along with me? So let us read the first sentence. Shillong est une belle ville. Elle est située dans le nord de l'Inde. So you have to just see which is repeated here. Now Shillong is a beautiful city. Belle ville, beautiful city. It is situated in the northeast of India. So L'Inde is India. So now how will we join these two sentences? Try saying it in English. We will say Shillong is a beautiful city which is situated in the northeast of India. So here L denotes this Shillong. So we would replace L with qui or que. Okay? Which. Now, do you remember what I told you? If it is followed by a verb, will you write qui or que? Yes, it is qui. Why are we writing qui? Because it is followed by a verb. So we would write the first sentence as it is, which is situated. So read the sentence and see if it makes sense. Shillong is a beautiful city which is situated in the northeast of India. So our sentence is right. What did we do? We saw which is the word that is repeated. Which word should be replaced? It is replaced either with qui or que. If it is followed by a verb, we would write qui. If it is followed by a subject pronoun, we would write que. So shall we try to do the next sentence? The next sentence is Tu as acheté un roman français. Tu as voulu lire ce roman. Now, what is the word that is repeated? First, what is the meaning of this sentence? You have bought a French novel. You wanted to read this novel. So the word that is repeated is roman. See, it is repeated. It is there twice. So you bought a French novel which you wanted to read, right? So instead of this word, we are going to write qui or que here. Okay, now it is followed by a subject pronoun. So when it is followed by a subject pronoun, what would be the word? It is que. So how will you rewrite this sentence? You would write que tu as voulu lire. You should leave out the word that is repeated. Ce roman is not written. Instead of that, we write the word que. So you bought a French novel which you wanted to read. So what did we do? We saw the word that was repeated. We replaced it with qui or que. In this case, it is que because it is followed by a subject pronoun. So are you ready to do the next sentence? I think you'll be more confident to do it now. So the third sentence is J'aime bien la France. I like very much France. I like France very much. Je voudrais visiter. I want to visit France un jour. One day. So what is the word that is repeated? It is France. So France is repeated. So I like France very much. I like very much France, which I would like to visit one day. So we are going to replace the word la France with qui or que. So now look at this sentence and tell me whether we would write qui or que here. How do we decide that? We look at the next word. Now, is this a subject pronoun or a verb? It is a subject pronoun. Therefore, we would write que. So, we would rewrite this sentence as que je voudrais visiter, and we shouldn't write this word again because we have replaced that with que, right? So visiter un jour. I like very much France, which I would like to visit one day. So you shouldn't forget to complete your sentence. The only thing you're replacing is the word that is repeated. So except France, the rest of the sentence remains the same. You just have to add qui or que. And finally, our last sentence. La Normandie est une région française. It is a French region, French place. Cette région est dans les côtes. This region. So now tell me, what is the word that is repeated here? It is région. So this is the word that is repeated. So this region. We are going to replace this with qui or que. Right? So now tell me, look at the sentence and tell me whether we will write qui or que. It is followed by, yes, it is followed by a verb. Therefore we write qui. So we replace this with qui. And you have to complete the sentence as it is. Qui est dans la côte. La Normandie est une région française. You will remove the full stop. It is a French place which is on the coast. So this is a very simple exercise. It's just two words that we are going to fill, two relative pronouns, qui or que. Qui and que both mean who or which or that. We will first see which word is repeated in the two sentences, and we would write the first sentence as it is, and in the second sentence we would replace the repeated word with qui or que. And now if the word is followed by a verb, you would write qui. If it is followed by a subject pronoun, we would replace it with que. So I hope you have understood the use of the relative pronouns qui and que. It's a very simple exercise and I hope you have understood it.